I'm gonna cry.
Wow, it's my time now and it's happening. Me, I'm just one seaside boy who's sat in his ding dong rapping. $250,000 a week and all I'm doing is being me, I ain't acting.
Hey y'all, good morning. Today is my last day of work in Barbados. Let me just get straight to the point. So today I was like, let me vlog this day, like this authentic day of my last day at work on this island here. It was basically the start of my adult life. The start of my adult life was spent here from 2018 to 2021. So it's like, a really important stage of my life, to be honest. But yeah, I just wanted to pull the camera out and just like see myself on the last day of work in the 246. So yeah. Well, my neighbor that I always call to is like out in his veranda. Morning! Alright. So yeah, anyway. Let me go. I am running late too. It's like 10 minutes to 9. And usually I'd leave at my 8. So I could get to work and drink my tea and small talk. And just like zen for a minute before I start working. But today, your girl is late. Big sweater because the office sometimes is cold as hell. And I already got my stuff from work like last week. So I don't have my sweater that I would have like leave at the office at work anymore. I forgot to change my nose ring because normally I wear the thing to work, the one that just sits on top of your nose. What's that called? Yeah, that one. But I left it, so good thing we wear masks these days, so nobody will be seeing this. Anyway, let's cross the road. But I live across from Sheraton Mall. See the mall behind me. Cute. I'm gonna miss this convenience, like living across from a mall and all. I'm gonna miss that. I'll save more money though, because with the convenience, you just be buying shit that you don't really need sometimes, but you just want it. I took a picture at G when I was an intern.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So I just finished the interview and it was amazing. It was probably the most amazing interview I've ever had. The atmosphere was just beautiful and I left with some goodies. You see why it was the best also, because I got this t-shirt. Eat, sleep, study, repeat. Okay, done. I really want to work with this company now. It's in Barbados, so I'm going to have to move to another country if I get the job, that is. Well, guess what? I got through and I'm here and I am in Barbados.
My beige and like my first apartment ever. Like, this is my first apartment ever. Like, I got my own keys. Yeah, so I'm grateful. Like y'all know, I'm super grateful for everything, and I'm just taking it one day at a time, and I'm just sharing my journey with y'all. So stay tuned for my next video in Barbados. Okay.
This is from the team, the wider team.
It's a very bougie envelope, by the way. What? What's this? Oh. Oh my god. I can't. I'm gonna cry now for real. Hey y'all. So I'm walking back. It's 5 o'clock now and I'm going home. So bye Gildan. It was great. It was great working with you guys. Hey y'all. So we're going to dinner tonight.
Yes, we are.
This is, this car is big. So this dinner is from my team. And I'm out here in the little dressy dress, you know what I mean? Looking like I got hips and shit. Anyway, Jennifer is over there. And got Katrina in the bed. And so yeah, we're finna go have my little goodbye little dinner, and yeah, let's go. Thank you. Ooh, it is big.
Yes.